You can easily add any kind of shapes on your video if you follow these easy steps. First of all, come to this tool section, and here just if you see this pen tool, then long press on this pen tool, and here you can select rectangle tool or ellipse tool. Just select any of the tool, and now to completely draw a circle, hold down the shift key and draw a circle just like this. And under effect controls, by clicking on fill, you can change your shape background color. And if you want to add a rectangle tool, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle just like this. And now I will show you how to add custom shape. To do that, you have to select the pen tool and then just go ahead and draw your custom shape just like this. And that's how you will be able to easily draw custom shape. That's it.